Look, Captain, it's just down there.
Are you Captain Cole?
Yes, we'll take it from here. You're safe now.
We have a situation here. A very large python.
The coordinates are 3-4.5 north, -1 12.8 west. We need immediate extraction.
Python extraction, river clearing. K9 unit trapped. Let's move, double time.
Control, this is Rescue 1. We are 5 minutes out. Have the landing zone clear and the vet team ready.
Starting the engine, secure the gear. It's secure, let's roll. Almost there, keep sharp.
Copy that, Captain. Road's rough up ahead.
Move in! Medic, containment with me! Eyes up, people.
We have a very large python in this sector.
Easy there, buddy. We got you. Jenna, keep an eye on that python.
It's moving off. He's gonna be okay.
Rope's ready on my signal, Luke. Mark, easy with the pole. Jenna, stand by with the tranquilizer. Mark, take the pole left. Jenna, get the tranquilizer ready.
Watch the head, Mark. Pivot now.
I've got it, Captain. Hold steady.
It's all right, easy now. We're almost there, buddy. Just relax.
Easy now, nice and slow.
I've got the lower coil, Captain.
He's clear of the leg.
Steady, steady. All right, he's free.
Breathing is good, minor swelling.
Well done, everyone. Rex is safe.
Steady pull, everyone. Keep the tension.
It's starting to give.
All right, ease off slowly now. We got him.
All right, team, easy now. He's clear.
Good job, Rex. You did great.
Dog is alive.
Python secured.
Python.
You made it, buddy. All right, team, easy now.
It's clear, Captain.
You're okay, boy. We got you. Rope secure on the tail. Midsection is pinned, Captain.
All right, easy now. Job well done. Keep the pressure steady.
It's going in.
And secured. And secured. Good work, Luke. All right, steady pull on 3. 1, 2, 3.
He's in.
Good job, team. Let's get him secured. Now!
How's he looking, Doc?
Vitals are stable. He's gonna be fine. All right, ready? Lift together on 3. Up.
Steady now, we're clear. Another successful extraction.
Couldn't have gone smoother, Captain.
Rex did wonderfully.
Get him straight to exam room 3.
He's stable, Captain. He's gonna be okay.
Vitals check now. Is the oxygen flowing, Mark?
Yes, Captain. Regulator set to 5 liters.
Heart rate is stabilizing.
Easy now, Rex.
You're all right. Just a little pinch.
Good work, team. He's stable.
Hey there, buddy. You did it.
Welcome back, friend. That's it, buddy. You got it. Come on. Come on, nice and slow. Good boy.
He's gonna be just fine, Captain.
Thanks to your team, Doctor.
Good boy, Rex.
We appreciate your patience. The rescue operation concluded this morning, and the Python is now safely contained.
Success.